Hello friends, welcome to Let's Study channel. Today we will study about cell. The smallest structural and functional unit of life is a cell. The scientist Robert Hooke saw a little room in the cork, the bark of a tree, resembled the structure of a honeycomb. That was a dead cell. The scientist Leeuwenhoek saw free-living cells in the pond water for the first time. And he is known as father of microbiology. That was single-cell organism. The cells differ in size, shape and structure. Types of cells: onion cells, smooth muscle cell, blood cells, bone cell, fat cell, nerve cell. According to the cell theory, all cell arises from pre-existing cell. The feature in almost every cell is same: plasma membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. Plasma membrane. It is the outermost covering of the cell. It is called a selective permeable membrane because it prevents movement of some materials. The cell wall is a rigid outer covering composed of cellulose. It provides structural strength to plant cells. When a living cell loses water, there is shrinkage of contents of a cell away from the cell wall. This phenomenon is called as plasmolysis. Cell organelles. Every cell has fluid matrix other than nucleus, is called cytoplasm. Golgi apparatus. It is a system of membrane-bound vesicles called cisterns. Its functions include the storage, modification and package of cell products. Lysosomes. They contain membrane-bound sacs with powerful digestive enzymes. Enzymes are made by RER. When the cell gets damaged, lysosomes may burst and the enzymes digest their own cell, hence called as suicidal bags of a cell. It is a waste disposal system of the cell. Mitochondria. It is covered by a double membrane. Outer membrane is very porous and the inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds create a large surface area for ATP, adenosine triphosphate, molecule synthesis. Mitochondria produce energy in the form of ATP. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of a cell. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes, therefore they can make their own proteins. ATP is the energy currency of a cell. Plastids. They are present only in plant cells. They are two types: chromoplasts, colored plastids; chloroplasts, green, pigmented and useful in photosynthesis and also contains various other pigments like yellow or orange; leucoplasts, white or colorless plastids. Stores materials such as oils, proteins, fats, etc. Plastids have their own DNA and ribosomes, therefore they can make their own proteins. Vacuoles. Storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. They are small in size in animals while plants have large, may occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. Many substances like amino acids, sugars, organic acids and proteins are stored in vacuole. The nucleus. It is a dark-colored, spherical or oval, dot-like structure near the center of a cell called nucleus. The nucleus plays a central role in cellular activities: reproduction. The chromatin material gets organized into chromosomes. The chromosomes contain information for inheritance of features from parents to next generations in the form of DNA and protein molecules. The functional segments of DNA are called genes. In some organisms like bacteria, nucleus is not covered by nuclear membrane. Hence it is called as prokaryote. Pro equals primitive, karyote equals karyon equals nucleus. The organisms with cells having a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. Differences. Difference between animal and plant cell. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe for more educational videos.